a new kitchen tool that allows you to create golden eggs yourself. It's the Goose that lays golden eggs. The Goose features ergonomic handles, abrasion-resistant nylon cordage, a tough scrambling chamber, a securely locking ring, and a soft egg cradle designed to fit a variety of egg sizes and shapes. Inspired by the motion of Victorian-era children's toy, the Goose is a low-tech kitchen appliance designed to take advantage of what are known as centrifugal forces. It's been carefully designed for performance and can thoroughly mix an egg while protecting it from breakage. The way it works is to hold the egg safely in its cradle, while the spinning motion evenly mixes the egg white with the yolk. Over the past year, we've carefully designed and developed the Goose. Following a thoughtful design process, we started with loads of ideas and sketches, created different geometric prototypes, 3D prints and rubber molds, building and testing rough CAD models, and performance testing a variety of materials. We tested our prototypes in a variety of situations as well, and took the best design to finalize it with sophisticated computer CAD models. We've refined every important aspect, and we've prepared the Goose for manufacturing. Our next step is to purchase the actual production tooling and materials. We secured competitive quotes from several manufacturers, both domestically and in Asia. We've crossed our I's and dotted our T's. We finalized the design and engineering details, and we've had fun inventing new and tasty dishes. And now we believe that we've created an innovative and novel kitchen utensil that's easy to use, fun, and effective. Oh, and did we mention that it's easy to assemble, that it's food safe? It's made with recyclable materials, and it's easily disassembled so it doesn't end up in the landfill. And this is where you come in. It just costs too much for a bootstrapping startup to foot the bill. We love the Goose, and we think you will too. But in order to make things happen, we need your help. Please help us share the Goose with all the creative cooks and home chefs and Kickstarters of the world.
And before turning to unlock, voila! So when you're ready, take an egg and put it in the cradle of one of the Goose halves. Don't worry so much about the alignment, as the egg will find its own center of gravity as it spins. Be sure to align the two halves to the appropriately keyed features located on each side of the cradle. The ring features a series of 6 hooks which must slide past the anchors before turning the ring to lock into place. See? You should hear an audible click sound when the Goose is locked. Now make sure your cords are even and grip the handles in a comfortable fashion. It's good practice to wiggle them a bit until you feel the cords are symmetrical and balanced. This will make getting the spin started much easier. You can be as gentle or as aggressive as you like with the spinning by pulling on the handles back and forth. One good tip to know is that you don't have to operate the Goose horizontally. Sometimes spinning the Goose vertically or at angles is the best method. Effectively scrambling an egg depends on the amount of force you apply or the number of spins you give it, but sometimes it takes less effort, sometimes more. But you get the idea. Let's see how this one came out. And here we have a golden egg. Okay, so let's review what we just talked about. Align the halves together around your egg. Now check your cords are even and start the twist with a shallow swing. Getting the spin started can be tricky, but once you figure out the best technique, it becomes easy. Did you see how I let the first twist run its course and gave it an abrupt pull to encourage the momentum? Here, wind once you're done spinning your first egg. If you plan to scramble more, this may save you time if you're new to using the Goose. See? Instant gratification. Anyhow, you've probably figured it out by now anyway, and hopefully you've had some fun in the meantime. Thanks for
getting connected at a staggering pace. Yet, when it comes to food storage, we're doing it the same way our parents did. Introducing Silo, a first-of-its-kind smart storage system with a fresh new experience. Silo is designed to work in any kitchen, and with our special BPA-free containers, it allows you to effortlessly store your food, keeping it fresh up to 5 times longer. Silo's patented technology is the only one-step vacuum sealer on the market. Simply place one of our unique containers on the base, gently press down. Within seconds, the container is perfectly sealed. Freshness Manager with Amazon Alexa. It combines the best of internet connectivity and smart sensors to streamline your connected kitchen. Every time you store something new on the device, it will be automatically added to your inventory.
Please state the container's content.
Strawberries.
Okay, I've added strawberries to your inventory.
Silo will always know how long your food has been stored and if your food is fresh.
Alexa, is the chicken still okay?
The chicken should be good for at least 5 more days.
Plus, since Silo weighs your food, it always knows how much you have, making sure you are always stocked.
Alexa, how much coffee is left?
You have 2 ounces of coffee. Based on your consumption, it should last for a week.
Silo can also be used as a smart scale, your kitchen Alexa hub, And of course, because it is built on the cloud, it will always get smarter. Silo.
Healthy as they look. You can try to make it yourself, but it can be a challenge. Until now, introducing Yomi, the world's first automatic yogurt maker, allowing you to make fresh, craft quality yogurt in your own home without any of the hassle. Using Yomi is easy. Before you go to bed, pour in the milk of your choice, insert the Yomi pod, and let the magic begin. When you wake, you're eating. With Yomi, you're in complete control. You can keep it natural, or if you like it sweet, add a drop of honey. Better yet, if you're vegan or lactose intolerant, you can choose non-dairy milks as your base. When it comes to yogurt, fresh is always best, and you can't get fresher than making it yourself. So back us today and be the first to own Yomi, and start having better yogurt every day.
There are lots of ways to cook on a sheet pan, but they're often wasteful or messy, and not everything takes the same amount of time to cook. We knew there had to be a better way. Introducing Cheat Sheets, a completely new approach to sheet pan cooking. Oven-safe non-stick silicone dividers that will streamline your cooking and divide your ingredients to make one-pan meals a breeze. With Cheat Sheets, you can separate your foods by cooking time, so that you can easily remove ingredients when they're ready and never overcook them again. We've also created an easy timing guide, so you'll get great results every time. They're also perfect for meal prep, letting you cook all of your ingredients with better control and greater efficiency, and buying multiple sets lets you mix up your meal prep and keep it interesting. But it's not all about healthy eating. You can also have fun baking your favourite desserts, and because you can separate flavours, you can easily please even the pickiest of eaters. And the best part, Cheat Sheets are zero waste and naturally non-stick.
On the bottom left, you can see the bamboo skin LED panel, the kitchen scale located on the top left. The main area here on the right is the cutting surface. On the bottom right are the two knife sharpeners. The cutting board is 17.9 inches long and 11 inches wide with a height of 1.2 inches. The USB-C charging port is located on the left-hand side right next to the LED digital panel. You slide off the second cutting surface from the bottom like this, and the second cutting board helps you easily avoid cross-contamination between foods. The second cutting surface also houses the UVC light sensors, which are used to sanitize and disinfect both cutting surfaces and up to 3 knives at a time. The board is completely waterproof and has an IPX7 rating, so it is easy to clean.
Make a healthy treat with the Presto Pop Light Hot Air Corn Popper. It pops with hot air, not oil, for a low-fat treat. Virtually no unpopped kernels. Pour a half cup of